Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into the world of GoFullPage, which is a Chrome extension that allows you to take screenshots, not just regular screenshots, full page screenshots of any design, any page, anything that's within your browser. The main purpose that I use this for is, well, I guess on main purpose. I have two purposes. First one is like anything that has to do with portfolio work to show off different designs and layouts and builds that you've created and you want to show the world. That is one good aspect of this tool. The other one is that maybe you want to have some sort of reference to something you liked online. Maybe you enjoyed the way that this certain page is structured and you want to keep it in the back of your head, or you create a folder with different design inspiration and stuff like that. This is a great tool for that as well. Now with that said, let's go ahead and jump over to my screen here and I'll walk you through how to use it, what it looks like, and all that fun stuff. Now to download this extension and use it on your end, just go to GoFullPage.com, or you can go to the Google Chrome store and type in GoFullPage, and it'll allow you to download it right here. Either way, it's going to lead you back to this location actually. So even on their site, if you click on Get Started, it's free. It just redirects you to the Google Chrome store. All right. It looks like it's also available over here on Edge, so keep that in mind for anyone who uses Microsoft Edge. Fantastic. Congratulations. You're in the loop here as well, but this is currently Google Chrome. Now, once we have the extension actually added to your browser, head over here to your extension dropdown. And if you are planning on using this pretty often, you likely don't want to have to click on a dropdown every single time. So you can technically pin it to your extension bar up here by clicking on the little thumbtack. All right. Once you do, it'll stick up here within the bar itself. You don't have to go through with that extra click or anything like that. You can just click on it directly and that's it. All right. Now to use it, just click on it directly one time and it will begin this little animation there. There we are. And it'll present your screenshot. Now on this new page, we'll be able to go in and take a closer look at our screenshot. If you want to, just click on it directly and it will zoom into that given area. You can scroll down, you can check out what's there, but if you want to do anything beyond just seeing what's captured on the page, you can technically edit and annotate and crop if you are a premium member. So you do have to pay for that, but if you are not looking for that, you just want a nice clean screenshot just like this, then the free version will work just fine for you. Now, one thing to point out here, I'm sure you've already noticed, there is a common image that's showing all the way down the page here. And that is another Chrome extension that I have, and it's called Speechify. And it sticks on the page essentially, and as the screenshot is being taken, it's just making an appearance in each one. So if you have something very similar, just make sure to turn it off before you do the screenshot, and that will resolve the issue. All right. But yeah, anyways, aside from that, again, I already mentioned it, if you are a premium member, you can go in and use the crop, edit, annotate, and export options right here. I do not. I'm not a paid member. I use the free version and it works just fine for me. All right. But aside from that, you can report any issues. So if anything's showing kind of funky here, just make sure to let them know, and I'm sure they will jump on that, make sure everything is good to go. Right next to that, you have the option to delete the image. So say you hated this guy and you want to get rid of it, click on it directly right here, click on the little trash can, and it will remove that image. All right. Besides that, you can go in and actually download the image in PNG, PDF, and JPEG. There is an option you have to select here in order to use JPEG if that's something you're after, but by default, it is PNG that is currently already set to this button. But you can do either one, and the image comes out great either way. So choose the option that works best for you. All right. Beside that, you have files, which is essentially all screenshots that you have ever taken in one page here. You can go back and revisit them. You can re-download them all. If you want to just go and zip them together, click on the little check mark right here, and it'll select all of the files or all the screenshots and allow you to download them all at once. If you want to select individual ones, there you go, same thing, and then click on download, you can, or you can delete it as well. But the coolest thing here is that if you take a screenshot, like, I don't know, today, and you want to check it out a year from now, you can always come back to this files page and click on that file directly, and it will from there just appear on the page just like that. It'll show you the actual screenshot of whatever it is that you're looking at. All right, pretty dang cool. Lastly here, we do have the options, which is like the settings for the extension, and like I said before, you do have the ability to use JPEG over PNG. If you would like to, you can go over here, just click on the drop down, select JPEG, and after that, you should be good to go. But aside from that, we have a few other options such as like PDF settings, download settings, and permissions. And that's just about it. Like I said, nothing too crazy going on here. It is a very simple app that is used for one and one thing only, and that is screenshots. It does a really great job at taking high quality screenshots and allowing you to download them at a moment's notice. So if you have any questions around this stuff at all, feel free to let me know. I am more than happy to point you in the right direction and answer any questions that you may have. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next video.